In this video, we are going to see how we can unblock people on Roblox. So if you know that specific person that you want to unblock, you can simply use the search for it. You just type the name and you will see their username appear. You open that up and there is unblock option from there. So for example, I'll just search for my friend now. I'll open this up. And from here we click on this three dots and we will get the unblock option here. But if you can't find it with the username, what you can do is just on the bottom right hand corner, you see this more icon. Click on that and we head over to the settings. Once we see the settings, you click on the third option, that is privacy and content restrictions. Click on those. And from here, the second last option is for blocked users. Click on that and we see the list of all the users that we have blocked. We can simply press this unblock button right here. Click on unblock button to confirm. And that is how you can unblock someone on Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.